Borrow means take, and lend means give. Number 1. I want to blank your pen. Here you are taking a pen from someone temporarily, so the answer is borrow. Number 2. Can you blank me your umbrella? Now you are asking someone to give you an umbrella, so it's lend. Number 3. She blanked my bike yesterday. She is taking your bike temporarily, so you say borrowed. Remember to use the past tense because of yesterday. Number 4. He asked me to blank him some money. He wants you to give him money. So the right word is lend. Number 5. We always blank books from the library. Here you take books, so it's borrow. Libraries are perfect borrowing spots. Number 6. Can you blank me your notes from class? You want them to give you notes temporarily, so the answer is lend. Notes are precious. Share carefully. Remember, borrow means take, and lend means give. Now it's your turn. Try 7 more questions on your own and check the answers in the comment section or near the end of the video. And hey, if you like this lesson, please like and subscribe. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, and I work hard to bring you fun English lessons. So your support really means a lot. See you next time. Bye.